In this video, I will show you how to run HTML code in Visual Studio Code. It also will work with CSS and JavaScript code. Firstly, let's create HTML file in our folder. And I will add basic HTML structure to the file. Now we need to go to Extensions tab and search for Live Server, then select Install on Live Server extension. When Live Server extension is ready, we can go back to the HTML file and right-click it. In drop-down, we need to select Open with Live Server. And now our server is running with this HTML file. The best thing about these options is live auto-updating. So if I go back to our HTML file and change some text, then text in Out browser changes as well. It's very handy with 2 or more screens while you change some CSS, and you can see all the changes in your browser right away. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, give it thumbs up and consider helping me reach 1,000 subscribers so I can make more tutorials. Thanks for watching.